Okay, this is a simple technical demo. What I am doing is creating a procedural maze that my little character here will wind its way through with a pathfinding script. It's not all that fancy. This is kind of modeled after the pathfinding script that's in the Unity 3D course. And what I have done is I've made the Pathfinder a static class that gathers up all the tiles, and then you can just select a path from any point to any point with this, and the path starts from the player, the knight, to the location on the map. And this is just a very simple procedurally based dungeon. It was created in the matter of just on the fly. If I go out and I go back in again and make a new maze, it's going to be a completely different maze every time. And the end goal here is that I'm going to combine this with the stuff in the RPG course so that the player will be entering into random dungeons. And there won't be all these silly numbers on things. There will be a lot more dungeon to it. The maze will wind off in different directions. This is just a quick tech demo to kind of show the idea. And again, if I stop the game, start again, I get yet another completely different maze with easy pathfinding from wherever I am to wherever I am. The monsters will have the same pathfinding ability, so if they see the player, they'll be able to use the Pathfinder. It completely ignores nav mesh. Anyways, that's it for now. Goodbye.